Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to switch your VIOMI S9 Alpha robot cleaner to a different room. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and then make sure that our Roomba is connected to the app. And now we can click on our vacuum cleaner and then click on the three dots on the top right. Then scroll down until you find the Manage Locations option, click on it, and then click on the rooms. So here you have rooms that you can manage. So for example, if you have created rooms before this, you can select a different room right here. But if you don't have one, you can just click on Move to a new room, name it something, and it's going to create a new room. So once you click on the check mark, you can start creating the map of that other room. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.